Yeah.
I was meant to come out here and put some fuel in the can, but
fuck's sake.
fucking being in that much of a rush, I've ended up forgetting. You can just buy like £2 in the fridge, right?
Aye.
Yeah.
That'll be enough for you, the £2.
£2.50 now, yeah. It's not enough, yeah, so I can get up there, yeah.
Right.
Some money's on my bank.
Aye. Right, I'll hide £2 in. Do you want us to just go Morrison's? Aye, no worries, mate. Right. It's getting back, yeah? Where you?
Yeah, if you want, yeah, try and pull up there so you can pull in on this side up there.
Right.
Yeah,
Aye. Aye, I'll do that, mate. Aye, good point. Well, this is fucking far on trying to carry this this fucking fuel thing. It's not fucking easy when all it's trying to do is fucking fall like a cunt. Right, one-handed carrying the fucking jerry can for for this lad. It looks like he's got an off-road bike, and then obviously doesn't have a fuel gauge on out, so he's just run out of fuel. So just going to try and get him some fuel, do my bit as per usual. You know me, guys, always helping a brother out. Let's hope I can fucking stop. The jerry can is such a cunt. All it's trying to do is fall. Like, I've never known, like, I've carried a pizza on the middle of this bike and it's not fell nearly as much as what this jerry can's trying to do. It's just a fucking pain in the arse. Look at it! Look at it trying to fucking fall. Little piece of shit. What it is. Little piece of shit, what it is. But yeah, hopefully it kind of makes his day a little bit from what a shitty day he's having. Because I'd be having a bit of a shitty day if I ran out of fuel. No, I know exactly what you're trying to do, bag. Fuck you, man. Fuck you. There, I got my leg on it. Where are you, bro? You were round here somewhere. I seen it. Actually, no, I don't know if he was around here somewhere. I know he was pushing it up here, but I cannot see where he's managed to push it to. Where you managed to push it to. There he is. No worries, man. They're a fucking ton weight when you need to push them, aren't they? Like, never. Fuck's sake. There you go, and there's £2 in there, and then I had to use the 10 for the carrier bags. No worries, mate. Do you need out else, or you're going to be alright? Take care, bud. No worries. No worries, bro. Take care. Well, Geordie is another saviour. Saves the day, yeah, boy. That's all it takes. I finished work. I would have usually gotten home by 3:30. It is now 3:38. So, what? That's like an extra 8 minutes to. Oh fuck! I gotta get it. Let me in, please, please. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. So it's 38 minutes past. So that's 8 minutes added onto my journey home. Like, it's nothing. Like, all it takes is a simple stop, and you've made the guy's day. He's not stuck there for hours or until somebody can come. You know. Like, fair enough. I've seen a few people on like bike forums and that saying, well, get AA or RST, and it's like, well, you're still gonna wait 2 hours, and yeah, most of the time you say, well, I probably couldn't fix it. It's worth asking. You see, I asked him, like, if it was engine problems or something, I couldn't help, but fuel, simple, done. He'll be on his way by now, I bet. You know, it's just help your fellow brothers out, guys. Easy peasy.